In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a gig from your Fiverr account. First things first, it's important to ensure that you're signed into your Fiverr account and make sure that you are in your seller mode. This is crucial because the steps you'll perform are specific to the selling platform on Fiverr, and you need to have access to your seller account dashboard. Once you're there, the next step is to navigate to your seller dashboard, which is essentially the command center for all your Fiverr activities related to selling. It's where you'll find all your gig-related actions. On this dashboard, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled My Business. Go ahead and click that. This will lead you to another option that says Gigs. Select that to proceed to the management area of your gigs. Now, when you arrive at the Gigs section, you'll see various categories such as active, pending, and draft, depending on the status of your gigs. This part is key because the gig you're planning to delete might be in one of these statuses. For instance, if it's an active gig, simply click on Active. Similarly, if it's awaiting approval or is a draft, you should select the respective category. For this demonstration, I have a gig in the draft category. This makes it ideal because the process will be the same across different statuses. Once you spot the gig you'd like to delete, look to the right side of the gig's title. You'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal more options. One of these options will be Delete. Choosing this option initiates the deletion process, but Fiverr adds a safeguard for you. It will pop up a confirmation dialog. This pop-up is merely a double check to ensure you're definitely sure about removing this gig. In this pop-up, you'll find an OK button. If you're certain about your decision, go ahead and click OK. And just like that, your gig is gone. The deletion is now complete, and that specific gig no longer appears in your list of gigs. Navigating through these menus and ensuring you've selected the right gig might seem a bit daunting initially, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. And there you have it. That wraps up our guide on how to delete a gig from your Fiverr account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos, and remember to click the bell icon so that you're notified with each new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.